Faye, welcome to Maimoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm super excited to try this products because you know me, I love skincare. I've been seeing this around a lot in Sephora but never really got my hand into it. So this is basically the first impression of this glow recipe and glowing skin trio. This value at $73 and I bought it for $42, which is a pretty good deal, but it's still expensive size. So I really wanted to test it out to see if it's worth the money or not. And this comes in 3 products right here. So I'm going to try to see if it does what it say to do, because majority of the time it just tell you but not really act upon it. So one tips that I want to share with you that I usually do is purchase a lot of skincare and makeup that I like or I want to try during the holiday season because it gives such a great value for a lesser price. So for example of this one right here, this is actually a full size of a eye sleeping mask, and I don't understand why like when it's come to an eye skincare it's always so expensive and it's so small, but when it's come to like a moisturizer it tends to be bigger. So as you can see here, this is actually same size, so this is not a full size. So 2 of this will say a traveling size. And let's go ahead and try out the cleansers because it's saying that it's a gentle cleanser that able to take out makeup, also act as a makeup remover. So this products right here, it is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleansers. It is a 3-in-1. So it said that it's going to remove makeup, deep cleaning, and also deep clarifying mask that hydrate the skin without stripping it. Also, it helped to combat blemishes and break out over time. Great, because right now I'm having a great pimple right here. So what we're going to do is we are going to try to see if it really said what it meant to do. Since this product claimed to be a makeup erasing and a deep cleansing, I really want to try its full potential. So here I drew a huge X on my face using this Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliners, and this is really tough. So hopefully this product can take it out. But I also want to try another products right here. This is Dose of Colors. Okay, so Dose of Colors, this basically is another product that is really hard to erase, and even if you're using a makeup remover, it is still stained. So I'm just going to do this right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if it's able to take it off. Okay, so I'm not wearing any kind of foundation right now, so I definitely have to apply some. So I'm just gonna apply over here. There we go. So I'm going to have this foundation set for a minute, and I'm just going to pump it. There we go. A little bit. It feels pretty like slimy and jelly at the same time. It's kind of weird. Interesting. It's really slimy. Okay, so I'm just going to use a circular motions to take it off. It's supposed to be gentle, so I'm just going to be gentle as possible. Okay, well, did it do anything? I don't think it worked on my face. Maybe I need to add a little bit of water. Let me be right back. I do admit that it's very gentle on my skin. Oh, okay. So whenever you have like water and the products mix the 2 together, that's actually better. So as you can see, it is working. It took off the eyeliner. That was really great. Now let's try the next products right here. This is a tough one. It's a really tough one, so let us see. I'm just going to add a little bit water, hopefully, and I'm just trying to take it out as much as possible, and I can see that it's break down the product really gentle and nice. I don't have to rub hard at all. as long as I'm using a circling motion, it would take it out. So here we go. So there's still some more, so what I'm going to do is try again the second time to see if it worked better. I'm going to add water on this tissue paper and it come right off. I'm pretty sure it's so easy to take off the foundation. There we go. So as you can see here, the makeup did come off. Super easy. As you can see, I do have a huge pimple on my face, but I'm not going to pop it because it is not ready yet. If I pop it today, it may cause more pimple because of the bacteria around, and also it will cause scarf or a large pore. And it's perfectly fine to test out these products today because this products that I'm trying is supposed to help with the acne prone skin, also oily skins and blemishes. So I'm so glad that today I have this pimple. Other time, no thank you. Okay, so what is next? So the next products that I'm going to try, it is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. This product claims to be a gentle yet powerful eye sleeping mask formulated with avocados and retinol that help to moisturize and brightening to smooth fine line. Ooh. So I do admit that the bottle is super cute. It's makeup glass, so even if you drop in the restroom, hopefully it does not break, but it's very sturdy. I'm going to apply it on my eyes because it is going to help with firming, also smoothing, and help with fine line. So I'm going to apply, got into my eyelashes. It does have a cool sensations whenever I apply it. It's very nice and very gentle and soft. It's a little bit sticky but not too much. Usually a very thick moisturizer will have that tendency of a little bit stickiness, but it does not irritate me to where it's like, oh my gosh, I have super glue on my face or like Elmo glue. I love the feeling whenever I apply it on my eye. Don't know if it's helped with firming or fine line, but the feeling whenever I apply it on my eye is extremely nice. Oh my gosh, this feels so great. So there's little to no sense. I thought I would smell some avocado in here, but not really. It felt really nice and firming. You know, I can feel that it's tightening a little bit on my eyes, and if I definitely will use this products again. I really like the feeling and sensations whenever I apply it on my skins. So the last products that I'm going to try, it is the Banana Moisture Cream. It's going to help with calming and also hydrating. It's soothing, lighting moisturizer that hydrate and calmness, dryness, and redness for all skin type, including acne prone skin and oily skin. It's re-blemish skins without clogging pores and work great as a primer to grip makeup. So this product can act like a moisturizer and also a primer. So I'm expecting a little bit stickiness since it say it have a great grip. Okay. The smell of it is like Laffy Taffy. If you ever eat the candy Laffy Taffy, it smells just so similar to the banana, and I really love it. My skin do need a lot of hydrations. Oh, it gave me a little spoon. Okay, that's really nice. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice when I put it on my skin. It's like the cool sensation that whenever you just go to the refrigerator and it's so cool on a hot summer day. And I'm just going to moisturize my skin. Oh my gosh. It felt really light and gentle. It's not heavy at all. So you can really layer with a different products. So if you're using some type of like oil for your skins or some kind of other products that you like to put in, especially the nighttime, you can do a lot of products because the thinner the products is the easier to absorb. And you want to apply these products first before you're going to apply like a thicker product. Oh man, I'm just really in love how it like apply on my skin. It's so light, so soothing, calming, and it have a really cool sensations that I really enjoy, like a peppermint kind of, you know, the feeling of cooling whenever you just brush your teeth. It felt so nice on my skin. I thought it's going to be a little bit sticky because it did claim to act like a primer, and it's great if you apply foundations and makeup after that, but there's no stickiness. So if you are a person that don't like any kind of stickiness, this product is such a great product for you. And I really love the cool sensations when I apply it on my face. It felt really nice. And I'm just going to apply it on my neck because that's also a very important area to take care. Oh my gosh, it is really, really good. So I'm going to use a heart-shaped tape to cover up my blemishes and also my pimple. This is a great way to actually taking care of your skin if you just want to block out certain area and not using foundation for all of your face. You can definitely do that. So what I like to do is actually using my finger to tap it on the products because it's going to melt the products right into my skin. And as you can see, it is kind of lighter than my skin, but once it oxidizes, which is mean that whenever you leave it out for a little bit, the air going to change the colors and it will be perfectly with my skin tone. And if you are a person that does not like to wear a lot of foundations, just want to target one area, then use a concealer for that. One thing that I definitely want you to keep in mind when it comes to skincare, it is really hard to figure it out if that products work or not. I know that seems crazy, especially when it's say anti-aging, firming, and bounciness. You definitely have to use more than 1 month, and you do have to use it constantly. If not, it's not going to work. Also, whenever you're using a skincare, it's more like preventing it rather than fixing the wrinkle that you already have. It does minimize it or reducing it, but it cannot fully take away. So the products that I tried today, I really enjoy how it feels on my skin. For the cleanser, I do enjoy the way it feels whenever I'm trying to take it on my skin. It is extremely gentle. It is a gel, so it's a little bit stickiness, and whenever you're using water, it comes right off away. And I did not even have a hard time trying to take off those makeup that I tried because the eyeliners, if you don't use a great makeup remover, it will not come off. And also for the Doe's lipstick, oh my gosh, that is extremely hard to take it out. So this product, I have to admit that it worked. Also, when it's come to this product, the way it felt whenever I apply it on my eyes, it does have tendency of firming. I can feel a little bit, but who knows if it worked or not. I definitely have to try it, but I do love the way it felt on my skins. So for this product right here, I feel is more like a hydration rather than a moisturizer. Moisturizer tend to be a really thick paste, which means that it's going to lock the moisture in your face throughout the day. This one right here is going to be a great quick fix. So if you have dryness skin or peeling off skins, definitely put this on your skin. It's going to help a lot. Think as if you ate flowers and you need to have some water. So it's going to be a quick fix. But if you want to grow more beautiful, you definitely need more soil. So soil will act like a moisturizer. And all these products right here, I do enjoy it and I love it really much, and it is my approved. So I hope you enjoyed this video and also learned something. Don't forget to give me a like, comment below of what you want to see next. Also, subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and check out my other 2 videos right here because it makes specially for you. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.